Alright guys, welcome to bonus break 128. How do you get in? Buy 10 or more in any football break, guaranteed. Then we randomize at the end of every football break, and if your name's on top, that's what it goes to. Who you are, what break it's from. Alan Curtis, Corey, Alan, Kev, Alan, Curtis, Joe, Tristan, Bryce, Brian, Shive, Craig, Ryan, Corey, Colin, Noah, Tristan, the Dawn, Spike, Smitty, Tanner, Tristan, Tanner, Smitty, Carlos. Alright guys, good luck 5 times. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Tristan, you're on top, and you're on the bottom right now. Alright. Alright, let's see what teams you guys have. Alan, Ravens, Cowboys, Vikings, Brian, Panthers, Bryce, Chiefs, Carlos, Jets, Colin, Texans, Corey, Broncos, Saints, Craig, Browns, Lions, Rams, Chargers, Bucks, Curtis, Colts, Eagles, DJ, Jags, Shive, Steelers, Kevin, Patriots, Joe, Bengals, Noah, Falcons, Ryan, Bills, Smitty, Seahawks, Titans, Spiky, Niners, Tanner, Dolphins, Giants, Tristan, Cardinals, Tristan, Bears, Packers, Raiders, Redskins, Cardinals. Alright. Let's see what we got. Little Tristar mini helmet action. Good luck, guys. Looks like Miami Dolphins, Dwight Stevenson. Dwight Stevenson, All-American, Alabama, 5-time Pro Bowl, 5-time All-Pro, 2-time AFC champ, 80s All-Decade team, Walter Payton Man of the Year, 2-time national champ, Miami Dolphins, and Pro Football Hall of Fame, 1998. Dwight Stevenson on the new Speed Miami Dolphins helmet. We'll Tristar Q code there. Must be pretty new here. Hall of Fame 98 Speed. Alright, there it is. There it is. Miami Dolphins. Going to Tanner P. Alright, Tanner, there you go, brother. You guys have a nice Miami Dolphins. Free autograph mini helmet. Alright guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.